The beach?
No, the unicorn.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm gonna be a unicorn.
They're fantastic unicorn.
One fantastic unicorn.
You look fantastic.
Welcome to another video, friends.
Last time we did this video, it was to get ready to have you. And now we're going to have who?
Baby.
A baby.
A baby. How are we gonna call baby?
Baby Ryder.
Obviously, we're naming
Baby
after Ryder.
Ryder.
Ryder is the cool, especially if you say it like that.
We're not gonna name him Ryder.
Who knows? Subscribe to find out the name, because we have no idea yet still. So today, what we're gonna do, Lisa?
We're gonna pack the what?
The dog.
The doctor bag.
The doctor bag. We are packing the hospital bag because this little boy here can pop at any moment. So this is just gonna be a quick video to show you what we put in our hospital bag, because now we are experienced parents. We've done this before.
This ain't our first rodeo.
Basically, the guide that we are using is this list from the IWK. The IWK is a children's hospital here in Halifax, and it is a very prestigious hospital. We are using the list that's on their website, and this list is going to be linked in the description down below if you're interested. You ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Your mom bought this bag for us. We used it last time. I love this bag. I use it anytime I go anywhere.
Perfect size
a
for
great
a lot of
size.
things. Yeah.
Great duffel bag. It's got a nice shoulder strap.
Your labor kit, what is that?
So that's mommy's part of the bag.
Okay.
That's me. Your IWK family information booklet. Your provincial health card. That is in my wallet. So this is my toiletry bag, also from Chubba's mama.
Can we open it?
Yeah, can you tell everybody on the camera what's inside?
Okay, what's inside there?
Let's take a look.
Wow.
What's that?
It's all your soft and toothpaste.
My toothpaste.
Why do you need this toothbrush?
A toothbrush. Show the camera.
Look at this toothbrush.
Oh, that's great.
I kind of have a story with that. Can I see the toothbrush for a second?
No, I'm going to put it here.
Okay.
Is these all your lips?
For my lips, that's right. Lip
Okay.
chap.
Lip chap.
Do you need this hair elastic
Hair elastics, yeah.
Okay.
to make it fit?
What are those?
These.
Oh,
Nail clippers.
nail clippers.
You never know when you have a bad hangnail, or if maybe the kids' nails are just like, I wanted to have a pair of nail clippers just in case.
This one.
That's body wash.
Ooh. What is this?
Hand cream.
Ooh.
Lotion. The seasons are changing. My body dries right out as soon as the seasons start to
What is
change.
this, Mommy?
What do you think it is?
No.
That's floss.
Ooh.
Flowers.
And what is this one?
What's that one called?
I know.
Oh no. No, I thought
No,
one was conditioner. And shampoo and my deodorant. Can you show the deodorant?
This one?
Nope.
The little blue one.
That one. Yeah. Show the camera. Alright, let's pack it back up.
Let's put it back in.
The only thing that's missing from this is my medicine, which is in my nightside table. I'm still actively taking it, but it's ready to go in a bag. It's a to-go bag. Chubba, you have to bring this with
Medicine ready to go back.
For all the support people, this kind of covers everything for me as well. And I'm gonna add my toothbrush to this and my deodorant.
you. We're adding our own toilet paper. Why? Because hospital toilet paper sucks. And when you push a melon out of your hoo-ha, you want to have nice toilet paper.
So soft and squishy. So soft and squishy.
There you go. That could be a Kirkland ad. So soft and squishy.
That one's from Sobeys. Now I'm gonna go through the clothes that I'm bringing. A typical vaginal birth at the IWK, you're only in the hospital for 1 to 2 days. They kind of get you in and out as fast as you can. I packed for a preparation of 3 days. Annabelle was 3 days. 3 pair of underwear. Bring underwear you don't care about. Why, Annabelle?
I'm doing it. That's right.
That's exactly why.
Because you're gonna bleed. There will be blood, right, Chubba?
That's, you know what? I would have guessed that.
Yeah, you're gonna bleed, so.
Blood is a part of this.
I need a big sturdy bra, something that's easy and maintainable. I actually bought this little sports bra on Amazon for 20 bucks. It's not the most supportive thing in the world, but it's very comfortable. If I had all the money in the world, I would start up a nursing bra business for plus size ladies, because it is so expensive and so hard to figure out, especially where I'm leaning towards exclusively pumping again. I'd love to have a proper pumping bra this time around. A couple of pair of warm socks. I do know that the epidural can give you the chills. I brought a variety of pants, leggings, which is my go-to right now, a pair of sleep shorts, and a pair of like capri pants, and then finally shirts. This is probably the most important thing that I learned from last time. You want shirts that's gonna make skin to skin very easy, and shirts that are easy to be lifted down and up. So AKA a little bit bigger than normal. So I just got a couple of nice tank tops, very loose kind of shirts to just make me feel comfortable. All of these I know I could fit a baby in between me and them. Get a nice big comfy, ready to be soaked in weird milk shirts.
Hold your thought. Annabelle?
Unwrap this.
Ooh. There we go.
Have a party.
The last few things I'm gonna round off as the mom part. I'm gonna bring a water bottle, a phone charger.
Dad supply kit, or for support person. Snacks, food, water, juice.
One of the things I have to add to this bag is snacks.
2 underwear, 2 pair of socks, 2 shirts, and 1 cozy pants. Even if you have to stay longer, I can always drive home and
Yeah.
get more supplies as needed. I know in a lot of countries it's not the case. I know in Hungary it isn't. But in Canada, the support person, the dad, can stay in the hospital overnight. In Hungary you can't. You have to leave. Even if you're the dad. It's so odd. But here you can. Like with Annabelle, I think I stayed with you in the hospital the entire time you were there.
The whole time.
The whole time. So
There was always a bed, there was always a place.
there's
for you to
always an
sleep.
extra bed, and I feel like it's the way it should be. But I also know that in Canada we are spoiled compared to a lot of other
Yeah.
parts of the world. We don't have to pay for this either. It's not gonna bankrupt us.
No,
So
even the parking will be free. At our hospital, they will provide pads, you know, bleeding kits and everything else for after birth. A bunch of stuff for your baby. But it is nice if you have your own stuff to bring that stuff with you.
diapers and baby wipes, you know.
So there's 3 people that are going to be in this bag. This is the part that always gets me.
Oh my god, are we safe to do this right now?
First thing first, I bought him his own stuffy. I don't know what we're going to name him yet. Maybe Peanuts?
That is a very cute. I don't think I've seen that before.
Oh, I bought it in Fredericton for him.
Oh, okay.
It's already
that's very
washed and
cute.
everything.
Yeah, I've never seen it.
But
It's
feel
very
how
cute.
soft he is. It's a jelly cat, so it's like one of the nice ones.
Aw.
You're gonna need some diapers, kids. This is what, 20 or so diapers? We just got out of diapers, man.
I know.
We were really hoping that Annabelle was gonna be potty trained before baby comes. That was the case. She's pretty well toilet trained now. The only time we use diapers is for sleeping. We literally just like totally ended the diaper stage and whoop! Let's go back right in.
I'm gonna bring 2 nice receiving blankets for him. I actually bought these ones for him. I got a pair of pajamas for him.
Cute.
It's just so precious.
Oh, little fire truck.
I just brought some other little outfits too. I mean, the first few days, they're naked most of the time anyway. I don't understand people who got their kids dressed right away. Skin to skin, man. Skin to skin. I'm a big fan of the pants that already have feet built into them. You don't have to worry about socks.
Yeah, they can't walk anyways.
They're
like,
not going anywhere. I just got some extra little onesies. And the first thing I ever bought for their baby was this little outfit. It says born in 2022. I'm gonna go pick out another pajama set for him.
Small pajama set, right in our fancy new dresser. I'm sorry, are you like the girl from The Ring?
And the last thing I'm bringing is wipes. We have a lot of these now, and I think we'll always buy them. That's our hospital bag for 3 people.
How are you feeling?
Excited.
Me too. You know what? I feel like we're increasingly getting ready now.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any like glaring things that we are missing.
No, I don't think. I think like if my water broke right now, we'd be okay.
We have the systems to call people and yeah. Hey. Cool. Good job, honey.
We're bringing in a little boy.
So hope you found this video helpful. If you're ahead of your labor journey, then really hope everything is gonna go well.
Positive vibes.
Positive vibes, good vibes. Everything is gonna happen the way it's supposed to happen.
Exactly. Go in with your open mind. If you have a birth plan, you want to go one way and it goes another way, that's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Your baby's gonna be okay.
And then, you know, after that, it's good times, fun times. In fact, if you want to know how fun times it is,
You can hit that subscribe button or the like button because we're really cool.
next time we see ya, it's gonna be probably the birthing video.
It'll be go time.
Bye.
Bye. Can I be a hamburger?
No. There'd be something beautiful.
A rainbow hamburger?
No. Don't be poop.
No, I don't want to be poop face.
Poo 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 poo. There, a poop face.
Wow.
Don't forget the glitter.
What do you think?
Wow,
It's-
you had the most beautiful poop face I've ever seen.
I feel like a poop face.